Calabar High is represented by Tian Hughes, Alexander Ramarak, Kevon Latouche, and Jonte Jackson. Mona High is represented by Kaheem Barnaby, Keyshawn Smith, Tyrese Nicely, and Anika Brown. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, everyone. Welcome to round 3 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss, and Calabar High won. They decided to send Mona first. So we begin with Mona High. Mona, we begin with principles of business. Which word starting with A is one of the 4 valid requirements of a contract?
Contract, the age.
Incorrect. Acceptance. Principles of business for Calabar. Which word starting with O is one of the 4 valid requirements of a contract?
Wait, an offer. Offer.
Correct. International affairs for Mona High. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Gintatas Palukas.
No, Gitanas Nausėda, President of Lithuania. International affairs for Calabar. Look at the monitor. No need to press. Identify this person.
Christopher Luxon.
Incorrect. Alar Karis, President of Estonia. Chemistry for Mona High. What is the formula for the acid which has a name derived from the Latin meaning strong water?
HNO3.
Correct. Chemistry for Calabar. Aqua Regia contains concentrated nitric acid and concentrated hydrochloric acid in what ratio?
1 to 3.
Correct. Mathematics for Mona. In a circle, what is the name of the region between an arc and the 2 radii, joining the center to the end points of the arc?
Is that the segment?
Segment.
Incorrect. Sector. Mathematics for Calabar. Into how many parts does a circle divide a plane?
4.
Incorrect. 3. Music for Mona. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
New sensations, new kicks in the candlelight.
Living la vida loca.
Correct. Music for Calabar. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Girl, you take me to another place. Got me needed, baby girl. Got me feeling like I'm flying like a mountain.
Baby girl.
Incorrect. By Lando. History for Mona. Under which British monarch were the Acts of Union 1800 unifying Great Britain and Ireland signed?
Monarch.
King George VI.
King George VI.
Incorrect. King George III. History for Calabar. The War of the Bavarian Succession was a conflict between which 2 countries to acquire Bavaria?
Spanish and England.
No, Prussia and Austria. Theatre and cinema for Mona. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Tom Payne.
Incorrect. Dominic West. Calabar Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
John Lloyd.
Incorrect. Walton Goggins. And physics for Mona. The density of carbon dioxide is 1.8 kilograms per meters cubed. What is the volume occupied by 7.2 kg of carbon dioxide?
19. 90 meter cube.
Yeah, good.
90 meter cube.
90 meter cube.
Incorrect. 4 meters cubed. Physics for Calabar. The density of mercury is 14 grams per centimeter cubed. What is the mass of 11 centimeter cubed of mercury?
154 grams.
154 grams.
Correct. Sports for Mona. Look at the monitor, identify. And that's it. That's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Mona High on 3, or rather Calabar High on 3, Mona High on 2. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.